Florida, Credit Service Organization Bond. What is a Credit Service Organization (CSO) bond? From our perspective, the Credit Service Organization Bond is essentially a type of surety bond required for businesses that help clients improve their credit scores, secure loans, or manage debt. This bond acts as a financial guarantee that the organization will adhere to all legal and ethical practices outlined by Florida's Credit Service Organization Act, Chapter 817 of the Florida Statutes. If the CSO engages in any fraudulent or unethical activities, the bond ensures that harmed parties can seek compensation through the bond. Who needs a credit service organization bond in Florida? Any business operating in Florida that offers credit repair services, helps people obtain loans, or assists with improving credit histories is required to secure a credit service organization bond. In Florida, this requirement applies to organizations that charge a fee for these services, whether upfront or after the services are rendered. How does the bond work? If a CSO fails to comply with Florida laws, engages in fraudulent practices, or causes financial harm to consumers, the injured party can make a claim against the bond. The surety company will investigate the claim, and if valid, they will compensate the claimant up to the bond's limit. However, the principal, the business, is ultimately responsible for repaying the surety for any claims paid out. Bond amount and cost. The Florida Credit Service Organization bond must be secured in the amount of $10,000. This amount serves as a financial safety net for consumers, ensuring that if a CSO violates state laws or engages in fraudulent activities, compensation is available. Based on our experience, the cost of the bond, known as the bond premium, is only a fraction of the bond's full value. Typically, this premium is a percentage of the bond amount, often ranging from 1% to 10%, depending on factors such as the applicant's credit score, financial stability, and business history. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.